context on where you can get to the new preview, we're going to actually X out of it real quickly here. You'll see that you're just a box looking at your files page. And to launch the new preview, it's as easy as clicking the file you want to see, and it pops up right away. So let's talk a little bit about how this new attention to detail is reflected throughout the entire preview experience. We're looking at an architectural photo here. It looks beautiful. And if we want to zoom in, we can of course use the zoom controls at the bottom of the screen. But we make it even easier. You can simply click on the photo. We'll zoom in automatically. And once you do that, panning is just as easy. You click and drag, and there you go. Now, if you're working with large collections of photos, or really any kind of file for that matter, we've got that covered too. We have a new film strip UI at the top of the screen that gives you a visual representation of everything in your current folder. So it's really easy to see what you're looking at and try to find that X photo or file you're trying to get to, in this case, a photo of a manufacturing facility. Let's talk about documents next. We're going to load a floor plan of a building. This is a PDF file, and there's a huge amount of detail if you were to zoom in. But the problem is that in just about any other online viewer, you'd be looking at an image of a PDF. And if you try to zoom in on it, it's going to get blurry, or you have to wait as your browser loads higher and higher resolution versions of that image. This is one area where the new preview really shines. Watch as we zoom deep into this document without any delays or loss of quality whatsoever. It looks incredibly sharp. You can even clearly make out the room numbers on each of the conference rooms here. So it's really powerful stuff. Next, I want to talk about performance. The new preview works well on small documents all the way to huge documents that are hundreds of pages. So we scoured the web to find the longest PDF we could possibly get our hands on. And here it is, clocking in at just about 700 pages, is the official SharePoint deployment guide. If you're patient, we might get down to page 25. That's where the table of contents ends. Okay, one more document. We're going to click over now to a PDF file. This is an edition of Font Magazine. So this PDF has over 50 custom fonts inside of it, and they all look perfect and beautiful in the new box preview. You can see them here on page 2. And if we zoom in a little bit, you'll see that they really pop. There's a huge attention to quality here. And if as a user I have the right security permissions, I can easily select text to copy and paste into other applications. So clearly there's been a huge emphasis on quality of content in the new box preview. But the experience gets even better when you leverage Box's powerful tools for sharing and collaboration. So from any file in the new preview, I can simply share it with one click. Box Edit is also one click away. And Box Edit is a powerful way to take any file you're looking at, view it on your desktop, and immediately sync changes back to Box. We've also redesigned tasks and commenting, which are now displayed in a convenient sidebar on the right side of the screen. So you always have the right context when you're having a conversation with your colleagues. But we're going to go ahead and add a comment here. Great. And last of all, key information is always at your fingertips. I can just hover over the title of the document in the top left of the screen. I can see everything from the download size to the number of views to the version history of the document. So really easy stuff. So that's the new preview. We've focused just incredibly deeply on user experience and advanced technology. I'm incredibly excited to let you all know that this will be rolling out later this year. And our goal at Box is to make this the best content viewing experience in the world. Thank you.